Having trouble with the Instagram Story Save option not showing? Here's how to fix it. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. When creating a story, you should normally see the option to save your photo or video directly to your phone before sharing it. If this option is missing, it might be due to a layout update or a bug in the app. Start by checking if Instagram is up to date. Go to the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android, search for Instagram, and if there's an update available, tap Update. Once updated, there are two ways to save your story. First, if you've already shared your story, tap on your story, then select More, 3 dots, and hit Save. You can choose to save it as a story or a photo. Second, when creating your story, after you take or upload a photo, tap the download icon at the bottom right. It's now a download button, not a save button. This will download the photo or video to your phone's gallery. And that's it. Now you can save your stories again on Instagram. If this helped, tap like, comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more quick Instagram fixes.